NowPas is an international workshop gathering young researchers working on salmonids research, such as master students, PhD students and postdoc. It takes place every year in a different country. We decided to join the organizing committee for this year's workshop since we've been to a previous one taking place in Iceland in 2020. We decided to organize it ourselves in France to promote our region and also research which has been doing in our lab.
What is very special about NowPas is the fact that we pay for everyone during the whole conference. So we gather money from sponsors and then we fund the full week. And we all stay in a gîte, we eat together, and it is to favor the exchange between the participants. We also invite 4 keynote speakers, which are heads of the Salmonid research to help young researchers to develop their network.
I'm Line Hansen. I work as a senior research scientist at the Norwegian Institute for Nature Research. I was also in the first NowPas meeting and in the first organizing committee of NowPas.
I'm Eric Verspoor. I'm a professor in aquatic biodiversity conservation and management in Scotland at the University of the Highlands and Islands.
It's really fun to be back now in 2022 and experience how far NowPas has reached. And it started more like a Nordic workshop, and now it's like European and even further, and it's been really great and so rewarding for me as a scientist to come back and see all the young and really professional and eager scientists, and I really think the future is bright for research on stream salmonids.
For me it was just incredible, an eye-opener in all these different areas of work that is being done on salmonids, and I felt I wanted to do another PhD again. No, it was an incredible compliment to be invited, and I've had a tremendous 3 days. It's going to have me buzzing for weeks, and I've made new contacts, new connections, and I think I've got a little bit younger for being with them.
The week has been amazing, and we were able to see all these different sites with Atlantic salmon, both in France and in Spain. I've never seen it before, and I learned a lot about Atlantic salmon and how they live down here, and also outside of the professional topics like biology, we also got to do the wine tasting and see the Basque country, which is really nice and green. And I also made many new contacts. It's very inspiring.
During the past week, I learned a lot about salmonids, on different studies that the people did and different things that they study on salmonids. And also it was great to be in the Basque country and to get to know a bit more about the culture here. And so we could try Shigarno, and we also did visit a winery and did some walk around here. So it was super interesting, yes.
Yeah, this week has been just great. A lot of really cool people, a lot of really cool scientists and good science. And I was a bit worried maybe when I came, because I come from a very molecular background, still on salmonids, but yeah, everyone is just super fun, and the research was great. In terms of networking, I've definitely met like at least three or four people that I would really like to work with, and we've had shared interests. So either they were interested in my work or I was interested in their work, and in the next years I think there's a high probability that we'll end up working together.
I think that we'll definitely be able to chat in the future about things I don't know much yet on different topics, but I know that they work on that, so it will be easier for me to reach out to them now that we've met already.
Organizing NowPas has been loads of work, but it has taught us many things, and we've gained in experience.
I would echo that this couldn't have been done more professionally, and it has that combination of incredibly good organization with an incredibly informal atmosphere and relaxed, and the right combination of focusing on work and also getting to know each other, because science is something that people do together. It's a cultural thing, and so therefore getting to know people and becoming part of the NowPas cultural tradition is fantastic.